Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're creating the last animation, at least for now, for our player game object, which is the player tired animation. And as I've said in the previous two videos, I'm just going to create an animation very quickly for demonstration purposes, but I always advise you to spend quite a bit of time and really make your animations look good. Also, as in the last video, I've made a note of the transform positions of my FPS controller because I want the animation to end when the player is in the same position as when he started, just for the smoothness. So with that said, let's come here and just as we did before, we'll select create new clip. We'll make sure we're in the animations folder and we'll call this player tired. Now for this animation, I'm going to make mine a little bit longer, so I'll reveal more time codes, and I'm actually going to make mine a value of 3 seconds. You'll probably want to make yours a little bit longer, but I'm going to use 3 seconds just for demonstration purposes. And let's begin. So I'll come here to begin with at the half-second mark, and just as before we'll start moving the FPS controller. So I'm going to have the controller move forward a little bit and up, and then we'll come to the 1 second here, and then we'll just move the FPS controller down. And that's all we're going to do in this video, is actually move the controller up and down to make it look like the player is heavy breathing. So I moved the character down last time, so we'll move the character up again and back down, and again you can do a lot more than I am in this video. This is just quickly for demonstration purposes, and up again, and we'll come to the 3 second mark, and I'm just going to open this here and I'll reset the positions to where it started. So we had a X of -100, of 2, and -30, so that's correct. And let's come to the game tab and we'll hit play. To make it look like the player's panting. I'm happy with that for the sake of demonstration. I'll just stop the animation there. And again, I will tweak this animation off camera. I'm just doing it very quick for demonstration purposes. So we'll hit the record button to stop recording, and we'll come back to our project tab, the animation. We'll select player tired, come to the debug, make sure legacy is ticked. We'll switch back to normal and we'll assign it in our FPS health script here. And I've gone ahead and I have some public domain sound effects for the player. And again, these will not be what I am using in my final project, but I'm sure you can all understand for the purposes of YouTube why I'm using public domain copyright free sound effects. So we'll have the sigh for the tired, scream for the deaf, and this punch or whack audio for the hurt. And we'll just check the console, make sure everything's alright, and we'll come back to the scene and we'll save the scene there. Now we've actually done with the player health, but we do need to create another script to handle the GUI for not just the health but all the other stats, the health, hunger, hydration. And that's what we'll be doing in the next video, is beginning creation of that script. Now until we have a couple more scripts in place, especially the enemy attack script, which is coming soon, we won't be able to fully test the player health, but we'll leave it here for now. We'll get the other scripts in place in the coming videos, and then we can test out everything we've done so far. So I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.